Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I just wanted to do a quick video talking about the tire pressure light that comes on the dash. Take a look. Now what I wanted to talk about is what causes that to come on and then what you'll need to do to get it to go out. So let's go ahead and get started. If your tire's air pressure drops around 25% or lower than the recommended, that will trigger this light to come on, and it'll come on and just be on. If it flashes a few times and then stays on, then that's an indication that it's pertaining to the sensor. It could be the sensor or the battery in the sensor. Now, these sensors have a sealed battery, so when the battery does go, you got to replace the whole thing. Typically, these sensors will last approximately 100,000 miles. So usually around that range, you might see them start to fail at that point, and then you'll have to have your tire shop or dealership, wherever you're taking it, to swap those out if you want it to function properly. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go around, we're going to check the pressure in all the tires and add any air if need be. I don't see anything that looks like any tire really flat, but even if it's just down on the PSI, sometimes it won't necessarily look flat, but it still could be low enough to trigger that sensor to go off and then generate that. Now, if that all checks out fine and we don't need to add any, then the next thing, it's either going to be we have a bad sensor or a bad battery on one of the sensors. Now, if you're using like fix-a-flats, things like that, and I'll have some links to some product reviews that I've done to some of those kind of fix-a-flat type of additives for the tires. You want to be careful. You always want to check on there and make sure it's safe for sensors, because if not, that can also damage your sensors. But let me get the gauge. We're going to go around and see how the air looks on these tires. I'm going to hold the gauge so you can see it. You can see this is on 38, which is what I always keep my tires on. So this one we know is good. You can see here, we're also on 38, so this one's good too. So both front tires are fine. You can see there, this one's also on 38, so this one's good as well. Let's do the last one on the driver's side rear. All right, you can see on this one, we're looking at about 29 PSI, which is way too low. Like I said, I like to keep mine on 38, so let's add some air into it, and then that sensor should go out. All right, we're right about 38, between 38 and 39. Let a little bit out, top it off that way. All right, so we are good. This one, as we saw, was low. All right, so we're going to go into the car and we're going to check that tire pressure light should go out now that we've addressed the issue. But let's go in there and I'll show you. All right. Whoops. We can see right here, the light went out. So that right there was definitely the cause. And if I come over here, let's go to our information center. 0 messages, so it automatically cleared it out. As we saw, that was it. Everything went out. Now, if that hadn't gone out, we obviously verified that all the tires were fine. If that was still on, then that would be the sensor itself. It could either be a bad sensor or it could be the battery on the sensor. Now, unfortunately, you have to remove the tire off the rim in order to get to the sensor, to change the battery, change the sensor, all that stuff. So when you would take it to a tire shop, you could have that taken care of. But in this case, that's all it was. So the next time that you're driving and that symbol comes on, You don't want to ignore it, first of all, because in this case here, there was definitely a tire that was low on pressure. So the first thing that you want to do is check that first, because you want to be safe. If all that checks out, then like I said, it points to the sensor. If you want to fix it at that point, it's up to you. I have another one of my vehicles. The tires are fine. One of the sensors went bad. I just leave it on, not a big deal. But if it bothers you having that in front of you like that, take it to a tire shop and then have them fix that, unless you have the tools and equipment to take the tire off the rim and do it yourself. But quick video, just wanted to just show anyone out there, if you've got that symbol popping up, what it could be. As we already said, I'll say it again, could either be low pressure on the tires or tire. You need to check that. Could be a bad sensor or could be a bad battery in a sensor. So it could be one of those three, and that will take care of the issue and get that light out for you. I hope that this video was informative for you, helped you out if you're having issues with that light coming on your vehicle. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, constantly posting content. I'll see you next time.